Welcome to the award of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off wireless power sharing on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and scroll down to the battery and device care. Now just click here to battery section, scroll a little bit down, and here you'll see the wireless power sharing section. Click here, and just to turn on the wireless power sharing on your Samsung Galaxy, you should click here once on the switcher, and now as can you see, this feature is turned on, and now you can charge some devices what you want to just charge with the wireless power sharing on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. And if you want to just turn it off, you should click here once again on this switcher, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.